rise is another page in the story you are writing. Every choice, every word, every act of love becomes your legacy. Choose wisely, for tomorrow is listening. Footprints fading in the sand, still love echoes through the land. Not by power, not by pride, but by truth we leave behind. When the evening shadows fall, love will answer every call. Every heart we choose to heal makes tomorrow's future real. Hold the flame, pass it on, shining brighter than the dawn. Lift the weak, share your song. Together we all grow strong. Leave a legacy of light, burning through the darkest skies. Leave a legacy of light, helping every soul arise. One love, one heart. That's where every change will start. Leave a legacy of light, forever shining. Teach the children not to fear. Let them know that joy is near. Guide them with a gentle hand. Help them understand this land. Every promise that we keep becomes a harvest that we'll reap. Every honest word we say lights another person's way. Here I now, the world will remember not the size of your house, but the size of your heart. Not the wealth you collected, but the hope you share. Though the road be long and steep, faith will never fall asleep. Every mountain, every sea, sing of love and liberty. Plant the truth in every soul, helping broken hearts grow whole. Let your kindness always shine like the everlasting wine. Leave a legacy of light, guide us through the darkest night. Leave a legacy of peace. May division finally cease. One love, atmosphere reflection.